Good morning. Most of us do not want to be out of our comfort zone. That's one of the main reasons why it took me some time to decide on joining short-term missions. But I took the step of faith this year and had a wonderful adventure with God. Let me share with you the journey of faith that I had, which I will never forget. Last September 10, 12 of us, headed by Reverend David and Susain Go, headed to Thailand. We flew to Bangkok, then took an 8-hour bus ride going to Mahasar province, where our missionary Pastor Eric and Jody Obado and Arnie Sui were assigned. Instead of the usual DVBS type of ministry that our STM teams did in the past, we were informed that we will be teaching English to college and elementary students. Basic English like how to introduce yourself, how to introduce others, how to conduct telephone and shopping conversation, giving directions, and the well-loved how to use prepositions. Thank God we were trained and equipped before the trip. First day fell on a Sunday. We had an intimate Sunday worship, after which we were introduced to our missionaries' mission field. They have a student center called 180 Degrees, where college students come to learn English, play board games, sing music, and grow in life. The center's goal is to engage, evangelize, embody, and empower new believers. We taught English in 2 faculties at Mahasar University. First 2 days in the College of Accountancy, and the other 2 days in the College of Informatics. On the last day, we taught English to toddlers and elementary students in a local village. We were also able to distribute gospel tracts in the village after that. Initially, we were informed to prepare for 80 college students, but changes are inevitable, especially in this trip where change is part of Thai culture. From 80 college students, we eventually ministered to 302 students, and from 34 toddlers and elementary students, we taught 54 young ones. During our first day, the gospel was shared through the watermelon story. But change came, and we decided not to openly share it in the succeeding classes because other professors were questioning our motive in teaching English for free and in giving out lunch. This proved to be a wise decision as Pastor Obado later shared to us that there were exchange of conversation between the deans of College of Informatics and the College of Political Science, with the latter being interested in having an English corner in their department. Praise God, another door is now open for our missionaries. I also thank God for our daily morning devotions, which energizes us throughout the day. I thank Him for our evening time of sharing and debriefing, which help us to improve for the next day and reflect on how God is working in our lives. This time of praying and reflecting reminded us that without God, our work is worth nothing. The seeds are truly planted. As of now, some of the students who joined our classes are going to 180 Degrees. I saw this caption under photo in a recent FB post of Pastor Obado. When place becomes small with simultaneous jamming, board games, and chit-chat. Good problem at 180 degrees. In another post he wrote, good problem, our place is getting smaller. Let's remember our missionaries Arnie Suyu, Pastor Eric and Jody Obado, and their 2 children Erica and TJ in our prayers. There are around 80,000 students in Mahasar and 45,000 in the university where we taught English. Right now, only our 3 missionaries are assigned there serving as full-time foreign missionaries. Indeed, the harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few.